Good evening, students. Now we are talking about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, production of offspring by a single parent cell. Production of offspring by a single parent cell. It is seen in unicellular organism. Unicellular, single cell organism, simple plants and animals. Offspring identical to one another, either to their parent. They can be identical to one another or they can be identical to their parent. Identical means they are morphologically and genetically similar to its parent. They are also known as clone. Morphologically, that means their external structure is similar to either one another or to their parents. Genetically similar, their genetic makeup, genetic DNA material is similar either to one another or to the parent. Type of asexual reproduction. There are three types of asexual reproduction we are talking about. Organism directly involved, in which the organism is directly involved. That is the case of unicellular organisms. Second, special asexual reproductive structure, in which we are talking about plants and lower animals. Vegetative propagation, we are talking about lower plants. First, organisms which involve directly in asexual reproduction, in which this we are talking about unicellular organisms. First process, fission. Second, budding, and third is fragmentation. Fission is splitting of a single organism into the two new individuals is called fission. Now next topic we will be discussing about fission. Fission, again it is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission, when a single organism splits into single parent splits into the two individual. Now here I have written the genetic material also. 2n is the genetic material of the single parent, then the individual formed will be also of 2n and 2n. The process involved in this fission is mitosis. Example of binary fission is amoeba and paramecium. Here is the diagram. Amoeba, single cell, parent cell, nucleus seems to be divided, spindle formation is there, 2 cytokinesis takes place by cell furrow formation, and again two new offsprings, new individuals are produced from a single parent. Now existence of parent is there not been present in the next generation. Multiple fission. Example amoeba and paramecium. Single parent, through the process of mitosis, will form more than two individuals. Example amoeba and plasmodium. Now we are taking the example of amoeba. Single cell amoeba, at unfavorable conditions, when the conditions are unfavorable, the pseudopodia withdraws. Pseudopodia will withdraw itself and a cyst will form. 3-layer coating is formed and this around the amoeba. This is called cyst. This formation of cyst is called incystation. This process is called incystation. Very important process, incystation. After favorable condition, when the favorable conditions arise, this nucleus of amoeba, through the process of mitosis, splits into the small spores, pseudopodia spores, in the cyst itself. This process is called multiple fission. When a single cell splits into many cells, many individuals, more than two individuals, it is called multiple fission. When the suitable conditions arise, it bursts. When it bursts, the cyst breakdowns. The cyst breakdowns and the amoeba is released. The process of releasing of these spores, pseudopodia spores, is called sporulation. Again an important process to remember. to the examination point of view. Thank you, students.